Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been staring at your bank account, willing a mysterious deposit to appear? You know the feeling. You've initiated a transfer, but it's been radio silence ever since. Maybe you're a freelancer waiting for that crucial client payment, or a business owner topping up your Airwallex account to cover overseas expenses. The wait can be agonizing, especially when you're unsure of the typical time frame. Well, fear not, fellow finance warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Airwallex deposit times. We'll break down the factors affecting how long your hard-earned cash takes to show up, explore different deposit methods, and even equip you with some tips to potentially speed things along. So, buckle up and get ready to conquer transfer purgatory. The all-important "it depends" answer. Alright, let's not sugarcoat it. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to Airwallex deposit times. Several factors influence how quickly your funds arrive, like the deposit method you choose. Airwallex offers various ways to add funds, each with its own processing time frame. Direct debit, for instance, typically takes 2 to 4 business days, while international bank transfers can stretch anywhere from 1 to 5 business days. The banks involved, just like rush hour traffic, some banks process transactions faster than others. The speed of your sending and receiving banks can impact the overall deposit time. The currency conversion game. If your transfer involves currency exchange, there might be an additional processing step, potentially adding a day or two to the wait. Weekends and holidays, banks, shockingly, don't operate 24/7. If you initiate a transfer on a Friday afternoon, it might not be processed until the following Monday, adding a few extra days to your wait. Breaking down deposit methods by speed. Now, let's get specific. Here's a quick rundown of popular Airwallex deposit methods and their estimated processing times. Direct debit, the speed demon of the bunch. Direct debit deposits usually land in your Airwallex account within 2 to 4 business days. Local bank transfer, a solid middle ground. Local transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. International bank transfer, for sending funds across borders, expect a wait time of 1 to 5 business days. This can vary depending on the countries involved and their banking infrastructure. ACH transfer, US only. This option is exclusive to US users and boasts a processing time of 2 to 3 business days. Pro tips for, potentially, speeding up deposits. While you can't control every factor affecting deposit times, here are some things you can do to potentially expedite the process. Initiate transfers early in the week, avoid Friday afternoon transfers, and aim for weekdays to dodge weekend processing delays. Double-check your information. Ensure all your bank details and transfer amounts are accurate to prevent any back and forth between banks. Communicate clearly with your sender. If someone's sending you money via Airwallex, make sure they understand the chosen transfer method and its estimated time frame. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially in finance. Even with these tips, unexpected delays can still occur. The key is to manage your expectations and factor in potential wait times when planning your finances. Airwallex usually provides estimated processing times within their platform, so be sure to check those for your specific transfer scenario. Keeping you informed, contacting Airwallex support. If your deposit seems to be taking an unusually long time, don't hesitate to reach out to Airwallex support. They can investigate the issue and provide more specific information about your transfer status. The final takeaway: knowledge is power. By understanding the factors influencing Airwallex deposit times and the different deposit methods available, you will be well equipped to navigate the world of international finance with more confidence. No more transfer purgatory for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy transferring.